my kings and queens out there. If you're new to the channel, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I just want to get that out there first. But today, for my people that already been subscribed, y'all know what's going on. Project Wolf, there it is. I ain't finna do nothing to it this video. But I'm kind of in work mode right now, so I'm about to do some things to the elephant and get it right. And maybe I'm gonna touch up on Project Wolf, but just got done working on Big Smokey, so make sure you click on that playlist and check it out, and watch a few videos on it. You know, show me a little love. If you want to, go ahead and check out the Project Wolf playlist. For those of y'all that don't know, who ain't been in tune or who new to the channel, this is my 1989 Ford Mustang. So yeah, I got two Mustangs. I got this one and this one. And I drive that red truck over there like it's a Mustang. But anyway, I'm about to do this suspension. I'm gonna go ahead and do the unboxing, and so I can show y'all what exactly I got, and I'm gonna explain to y'all why I got what I got in just a second here. All right, so this is the upper control arm mount. You can see that by BMR. Now I was told that for Chevys, BMR parts are higher. My partner, he messed up, he broke an axle, and he was trying to get some parts and all that off BMR. For this stuff that I just bought, the control arms and the mounts and all that, it's like $2 grand. I just spent $400. So let me go ahead and open this up and show you what's in here. Cause I'm trying to go and get to work. Sorry about my shirt being dirty and all that, but I work for real. I ain't trying to put no image on for y'all. I do work. I get dirty, I ain't perfect. I ain't no rich YouTuber yet, so I gotta do this the hard way. Everybody ain't spoon fed. But this is how it come in the box. Straight like that, fresh out the box. A whole bunch of paper for no reason. Just like that, that's all that's in the box. It ain't even got no shipping paper, nothing special. That's how they come out the box. On to the next one, because I'm ready to get to work. I got that was the lower control arm mount, just the upper. Alright. All this stuff come in the box the same. I'm pretty sure this one just is a bunch of paper just like the other one. I'm about to find out. Y'all can see that. Woo. Get to work. Just like I thought. Bunch of paper for no reason. Here is this one. If this is for anybody that thought about getting it, I gotta get my grease going from work, because I didn't know I was gonna have to grease these, so I don't want to run them empty, but I'm gonna have to for now. My grease gun at work. But this one is the upper control arm mount. I put the prices and all that in the description, because I really forgot how much I paid for it. I just know I paid for all of this together, it was $400. It was like $457 or something like that. And this for anybody with a 2014 Mustang GT. I don't see why you would need it for a V6. But last but not least, the control arms. Let me show you. And this stuff real simple to do at home. If you got basic common sense, pretty much, you can do these. And I'm talking about the control arms, not the mounts. You can do this if you got basic common sense. It ain't much to it. Whole bunch of paper, just like the last box. Paper, for no reason. And here they are, the control arms. Oh, it's kind of tough. I got a sponge. Fuck it, that's good enough. So this is what they look like. This one has a grease fitting also on both ends. So I'm gonna have to grease those up. But these, both of them right here, these are the control arms. This the mount. It also has a bushing, grease fitting, I'm sorry. And this is the other mount. So I'm gonna slap all this on, but the purpose of me buying all this was to help with the wheel hop. So if you ever seen one of my videos, or you ever saw my car run or heard it run or anything, you can see that that thing wheel hop real bad. Or if you ever seen any 2014 Mustang, any car really, you ever seen wheel hop, you will know what it is when you see it. The wheels bouncing up and down real bad. And that's really bad for when you're racing. You lose a lot of time with it, you know. You have to, because you got to pedal it to kind of stay, you got to get in and out of it. You don't want to mess nothing up, and you also want to catch your traction, but you also ain't trying to lose the race at the same time, so you pedaling it, trying to keep up and keep it from wheel hopping so bad and make it catch traction. You lose a lot of time doing that, and this should help eliminate that. Now, I will say this, you're gonna need more than just this. You're gonna need tires as well. You're also gonna need a little driver mod, because if you don't know what you're doing, you don't know what you're doing. But you're gonna have to get some practice with it, so just keep that in mind. Don't go around saying that I said this is gonna stop that, because I ain't no brand ambassador or nothing. This should help with your car. It might, it should. It's gonna help with mine for sure, but I don't know, results vary per person. But look, I'm finna get to slapping this stuff on. I will get to y'all in the next scene. All right, so I'm gonna try to keep this as brief as possible. All you do is bolt right there, the other bolt, if you can see that, it's right there. This whole little piece gonna come out. You're gonna put this piece in, 2 bolts, that's it. And you do have to grease these, okay? But that's all you do, 2 bolts. And make sure you got some up under the rear end. You don't want that to drop down on you. So 2 bolts, pop out, pop in. The sun coming up, that's the only reason I'm trying to rush. It's getting hot. But that's it, 2 bolts, pop those out, pop the new one in. I'm gonna show you when I got it out. All right, y'all, so that's literally it. It's 2 bolts, literally. 1, that's the back side, and you got the other one right there. And yes, I'm working in socks, no gloves. I do this, man. Focus on the point. Stopping the wheel hop. But this literally it. This the factory one. That's the aftermarket one, BMR. 2 bolts, and you repeat the process for the same side. It go right there, and the other one connect to the rear end. So I'm gonna get that up there, and I'm gonna go to the other side. All right, y'all, so I got both arms on both sides. Now it's time for me to go to the next thing, which is the mount. I'm about to put this up there, but this is probably the most, I ain't gonna say difficult, but it take a little bit of mechanical knowledge, you know, if you don't have any. I recommend you get somebody to help you with it, but you got to take the rear seats out. So which ain't hard, you know, it's just a little push of a button. It's literally right there in the front. You press the button and it'll come up, but you got to do that to get to this top bolt for the mount. All right, you have to take the seats out. So all you do is you take this bolt out, and I'll show you underneath when I get back down there, but it's these 2 bolts, and then 1 big bolt goes through the middle for the last piece. But for now, well, I'm gonna show you underneath the car. It sits like that. So you can't see that right now. I'll show you when I get back under there. But that's how you got to go about it. You got to go from underneath the seats, and that's the only way you're gonna get that boat. So sun coming up, it's getting hot. Let me go ahead and knock this out real quick, and I'll get back with y'all. All right, y'all, so 15 years later, let me get on there and show y'all how it's supposed to look. If you can see that, that's how it's supposed to look. Took me a minute, because the axle shifted on me a little bit, but it was easily fixed. All you gotta do is reposition the jack and just jack it up, and it goes straight up. Just make sure before you tighten everything down, make sure you got all the bolts in the holes, you know, at least started. So you might want to try that first. But I'm about to get up out this ground and get out this sun. Even the tool's hot. Shout out Minute Maid. That was in my car. I wasn't drinking it. I was drinking my water, wherever that is. But I'm super dirty. Like, I can't make this up, y'all. This is probably the dirtiest I ever got making a video. This tee was white at first, but yeah, this thing finna go in the garbage. But all right, I'll get back with y'all in a minute. Now it's time for everybody, for every part, test it out, see how it works, see if it works, and let y'all know what I think about it personally. So let me get the car back down, get the wheels on it, and I will let y'all know, and y'all be here shortly. I can feel a bit of a difference.